What's up, Mananap? Welcome to uh, Code Conyo video tutorial. So this time I'm going to demonstrate to you the not logical operator. So not logical operator is actually a negation operator, meaning to say the value or the expression it is going to evaluate is if it's not true, then therefore it is false. And if it is not false, then it is true. So let's say for an instance, we are going to have here these variables, and then we are going to have a Boolean logic here. Let's say B1 is equal to uh, A is less than B, the same with what we did earlier, and then let's negate it. So therefore, instead of this one is actually true, okay, true, this will this will become false instead. So not true is actually becomes false. So to prove to you that it is actually going to yield false, then we can have here B1. So B1 so is equals to false. There. So let's have some another example. So we have Boolean B2 is equal to, let's say, uh, not not. So we have, let's say, A is not equals to C. So that is this one will be evaluated as A is not equals to C. So is 5 not equal to -5? It is actually true. And then therefore, it is not true, then it is actually false. So let's display this one, and then we have here B2. Okay, so let's run the program now. We would have false. So what about if we are going to have B2 here is equal to, let's just copy paste this one, and then let's have here not uh, A is equal to C. Obviously, this is like false. So not false is going to give us like true. Okay, so if we're going to run this one, sorry, we're going to run this one, we have here true value. Okay, so where do you particularly use not operator or not Boolean logic? So you can actually use not Boolean logic if, for an instance, if let's say you have here Boolean found. Okay, Boolean found is equal to false, and then you are going uh, to look for a certain value. Let's say for an instance, you have here if A is equal to, let's say, 5, assuming we are actually looking for A is equal to 5, we have here found is equal to true. Okay, and then uh, you can display something like here or anything that A or 5, A is found. A is found. Okay, but if you are going to, you know, sorry, if you're going to really apply this in a program, let's say for an instance, you have an array of numbers, example. So you have here 23, 56, 89, 100, and then 45. And then you are going to look for a certain value. So using the array of numbers, and then we are going to look for the value. Let's say while not found. So while not found is it's always going to continue the loop statement. So let's say for an instance, um, let's have here num a. Let's look. Let's use the variable a to look for 89, or let's say 89. Okay, or let's have here para doon. A is equal to 18. Okay, and then you will have here if say A is equal to num. Okay, so you'll need uh, a variable here. Let's say we have x is equal to 0. So let's say x, and then if it is found, therefore if a is equal to is equal to num x, meaning it's 89 equal to 23, 56 to 89, so on and so forth. So the found now will become false. So after that, you have here the break statement, and then else, okay, else you can have something like x plus plus right here. Okay, so you can have here system that out the print line. Let's say a is uh, is is a found or something like found a. So you have here found. So you're asking something like if is a found. So let's say let's run this program. So is found 89. It's what happened? It's I sorry. I have here. I supposed to have here true. So you can have here is found 89. Yes, it's true. Okay. So let's say this is like 85. Okay. We have here 80. What happened? Uh, yeah, it's because we have to have here an AND operator, which is something like num dot length, num dot length, or x is should be num dot length. So there, 85 is actually false. So that this one is a little bit complex, and this is like compound expressions or compound statements, which is you combine not found and a not and. However, again, this is just an example. I'm going to give you more example about it. So I guess we call it a day. Thank you guys for joining in and for watching this video rather. Have a great day. Bye-bye.